The food security situation in Kenya has improved based on findings of an assessment conducted in 23 arid and semi-arid counties, that is the ASAL counties. The population facing acute food insecurity has dropped from 4.4 million in February to 2.8 million to date. The nutrition situation in the ASALs has also improved across most counties, with an estimated 945,610 children aged 6 to 59 months requiring management of acute malnutrition, down from 970,214 reported in February. In addition, 144,940 pregnant and lactating women require treatment for acute malnutrition, up from 142,179 reported in February. Improved nutrition is mainly attributed to scale-up of responses delivered to address immediate and underlying malnutrition causes, as well as improved food security situation, including availability of milk and food stocks resulting from the good performance of the long rains in several counties. The foregoing notwithstanding, malnutrition levels have remained high in most arid counties due to the cumulative negative effects of the prolonged drought. The situation in Turkana South sub-county remains critical at phase 5 of acute malnutrition. Turkana North, Turkana West, Turkana Central in Turkana County, North Horr and Laisamis in Marsabit County, as well as West Pokot, Mandera, Wajir, Garissa, Tana River, Samburu, East Pokot in Baringo County, and Isiolo are experiencing critical phase of acute malnutrition. Of the population facing acute food insecurity, 2.3 million people are in crisis, what we call phase 3 of the acute integrated food security phase classification, while the other 500,000 are in emergency phase, that is IPC4. The huge improvement is attributed again to the good performance of the March to May 2023 long rains, which saw most parts of the country receive above average rainfall, leading to improved production and productivity.
Bado inaitwa EAC Narok County Council model.